Hi guys, this is Taff. Just going to show you about quick disconnects that are used for pressure washing. They're actually 3/8 of an inch. They connect together. They're open so you can see through it. They're not closed like there are some other industries. So these connect together. This is a male, this is a female. The thread on it is 3/8 of an inch. And this one is male thread on this side, and these two are the same except that it has female thread. Sometimes one is more convenient than the other. That's the reason to use them. These are really good, high quality, quick disconnects that we have. This one is made by Legacy. I believe this one is Legacy as well. Good quality, quick disconnect. And then this right here is a shutoff valve. There's many that we sell. This one is a 1/4 inch, but we also have them 3/8 of an inch. And this basically just connects onto there. And then this way you can turn off your pressure. And like this one, you can notice that it's 7,350 PSI, which is basically insane. Normal quick disconnects don't work for pressure washing just because the pressure is too much and then it bursts them. So that's about it on your quick disconnects. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.